Hi. In this video, let us see how to log in and how to use Investoday for your smart decision. So first you have to log into your mobile number. You can request for a OTP. Once you get an OTP, just type it and here is the dashboard. So once you have logged in, this is the live calls what you will see. Okay, so you can just check out natural gas is open. Live means the calls which are open to take. Okay, Geo Finance I recommended at 240 to 241. Still trading at 236. You can still enter. The stop loss is 233. So you'll get all the details here. Once the target is hit or stop loss is hit, it will move to the performance. If you see the performance, if you click on the performance, you can just check out Sensex, which made a profit of 17.68%. The recommended price was 170 to 175. Target was 200. So if the stop loss is hit, you can just see we have recommended 75,300 call option, 390 to 395. Stop loss was 380. The stop loss was hit in just 2 minutes time. So likewise, you can have all the performances. You can just check out and you can just see here there are a lot of calls which I have given day wise basis. Every day we will give only 3 to 5 ideas. Either when you lose very small percentage, and when you make, you can see here 67%. So it is a strict of risk to reward ratio. Either we will give 5 calls, even you can just check out the accuracy 64.1%. Few days, like if you see, like yesterday we had an 100% accuracy, published date, target hit, and duration taken to achieve that target. So you'll have enough time to achieve a bigger target, so that you can just see, for example, Nifty 24,000 call, it was recommended at 80 to 85, and the target was 140. Its target in 1 hour 15 minutes, so making it a profit of 75%. And you can just check out 24,150 call option, it was recommended at 70 and it went to triple one. These are all the ideas which we have already performed in the previous. You can just check out all these options here. And as I told you, in the live trade, in the live, if you see, you can mock trade anyone. So if you want to mock trade this, you can just click on that. Estimated total cost is around 10 lakhs. So to buy a futures, I don't have the margin. Okay, so I'll go back and you can take a mock trade in any of Geo Finance. If you click on mock trade, confirm mock trade, it will go to the mock trade, and once the target is achieved, it will book automatically the profit. So this is how you can just the 3 buttons here. Come to pricing and planning, activate your trial plan, and explore all the features for 15 days. And then if you're comfortable, then you can choose any of the plan. We have silver plan, gold plan, and platinum plan. So in the notification bell, you will have all the notifications whichever we send it, this dark theme and the light theme. And if you want to participate in the webinar, you can participate in the webinar. You can go and search about our services, contact us, and all other legal formalities, whatever you need. I hope this video was helpful in how to use our app. If there is any doubts, you can just contact us through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.